10 offbeat destinations of Himachal Pradesh for the real traveler in you. The local deity, Jamlu Rishi can be thought of as the one responsible for the origination of this village as well as formation of its society, its laws and ways. The Chandrakhani and Dotibba peaks lumber over the village as if to protect it from the outside world. Alive with its beautiful apple and cherry orchards, Thanedar gives unparalleled joy to the nature lovers. You can enjoy plucking the fruits from the myriad trees that supply lakhs of cartons full of juicy apples all over India and abroad, and biting into them, or can savor the chewy slices of apples that the localites dry on their roofs. There are many resorts overlooking the plush orchards that give one the experience of staying close to the nature. The nearby places that you must visit are the Nag Devta Temple, standing along the Tani Jubba Lake, St. Mary's Church, which also happens to be one of the oldest churches in India, and Hathu Peak that provides mesmerizing vista of the snow-clad peaks of the Himalayas. Unblemished by tourism, Shoja provides one a fine place to relax and breathe in the fresh mountain air away from the maddening city life. Located in the Sairaj Valley, it is famous for its Serloskar Lake, that is known for its striking vista at the sunset. One can take a leisurely stroll around or find their way into the refreshing meadows of the region. It is only a short walk to the waterfall here, where they can take a chilling bath or just soak in the sun while enjoying a drink. Nicknamed Trout Country because of the abundance of trout fishes found in the Tirthan River, makes Gushani a great place for fishing. Besides, for those tourists whose idea of the perfect holiday is camping and spending time in the lap of Mother Nature, Gusahini offers the perfect escape. One can set up a portable tent on the banks of the river to enjoy a vacation of solitude and self-searching, with the melodious music of the flowing water in the background to rejuvenate them. About 20 kilometers from here is situated the Great Himalayan National Park, where one can find a huge variety of flora and fauna, since the denizens of the park include a good 30 species of mammals and 300 species of birds. A walk into the park by the way of Cedar Woods is highly recommended and is sure to make one's trip memorable. Undoubtedly one of the best trekking trails, Jalori Jot is bestowed with nature's best. One can stay up at Shoja and drive down to Jalori Jot to continue on hike to the popular Saryo Lake adjacent to the Jalori Jot temple on the left from the main street, or can take the right towards an ancient fort, both spots being equally ecstatic. A word of caution though, one must wear good pair of trekking shoes for this trail to ensure better gripping and higher safety, since the trail often tends to get slippery, especially in the monsoons. The hiking trail is good 4 kilometers long before one reaches the lake. Thankfully, there is a good dhaba that one come across just before they reach the lake that's good to get one's batteries recharged for continuing further. Adjoining the lake there's a temple giving tribute to the old serpent queen, who is much worshipped by the locals. Tucked away in the quaint Parvati Valley in Kalu district, Kheerganga is one of the most beautiful offbeat places of Himachal Pradesh. To reach here, one needs to go up to Barseni, from where they have to take a 4 hours long trek to Kheerganga. One of the biggest villages of Kinnaur district, Kalp is best known for its plush green pine nut forests and the spectacular landscape that the snow-covered Kinnaur Kailash paints against it when they are baked in the morning sunshine. The numerous apple orchards, apples being the main cash crop of the region, only add to the breathtaking color palette the nature offers. It is said that Lord Shiva meditated in this region for thousands of years. However, the most spectacular feature of this place is its hot spring, where one can truly unwind and get rejuvenated after the long journey, since this spring is also believed to contain healing properties. The Rakcham Valley is yet another unspoiled and unexplored terrain of Himachal Pradesh, which is surrounded by silvery mountains and mesmerizing verdure of vegetation. With the river Baspa meandering by its side, Rakcham is like the path to heaven, lane halfway between Sangla and Chitkul. The sacred Kailash Shivling rock that changes shades with the different times of the day can be beheld from here. At a distance of 11 kilometers from Kalpa, temple devoted mainly to goddess Chandika is situated. The finery and uniqueness of the architecture of the temple makes it a must-visit spot when here. It is unlike that of any other temple in the city, and the goddess idol, placed in TGHE central shrine, is instilled in gold, which makes it magnificent as is. In addition to being a positively beautiful place, Barot also provides one with ample opportunities of outdoor activities. The river Ool that bears it on its shoulders to sustains the life of the inhabitants, foliage and wildlife of the region, also serves as the breeding center for the fishes, primarily trout, and has several fishing farms which popularize for angling as well. Across from the river is located Nargu Wildlife Sanctuary, which is the home of a variety of unique Himalayan beasts including Himalayan gorals from the goat family, Himalayan black bears, and many different pheasants. The valley has evergreen forests with deodar trees in abundance. With many trekking trails, with one that cuts through the sanctuary to Kalu, makes it very popular among the tourists for hiking and trekking. The temple of the local deity of rain, Dev Pashukot, that makes for a fine place to visit, is situated across the river Ool. Chitkul is a small hamlet in the Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh, perched undisturbed on the Indo-Tibetan border. Interestingly, it is the last inhabited village on the border and the last destination in India that can be traversed to without the need of a permit. One can comfortably stay at Sangla and make a one-day trip to Chitkul. The river Baspa runs all along your small journey, making for a splendid companion. The valley provides one with a striking vista of the tempting fruits-laden orchards, mustard fields, plush green vegetation against the stark white of the Himalayas as the background. The valley is famous for its fine quality peas and potatoes. The weather up here is quite harsh and cold and usually unpredictable, so it's advised to be prepared. A homage to the goddess of Chitkul, who resides in a 500 years old temple, is a must by the Parikrama pilgrims. A must visit indeed. Hidden from the overbearing crowd of the rest of the world, Malana is a small village asleep peacefully in the Kalu district of Himachal Pradesh. The most intriguing fact about this offbeat destination is that its people are believed to be the direct descendants of Alexander the Great. In fact, this place has its own set administrative laws and practices that closely resemble that of the Greek administrative system, language, social framework, and their notion of purity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.